Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see DIY recycling plastic bottles craft ideas. In this video you will see recycling plastic bottles craft ideas. These are very unique and very elegant ideas. I really hope that you really like all the ideas that I am going to share with you. Living a more sustainable lifestyle is important for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and shrink the amount of plastic they throw away. There are plenty of ways that you can reduce the amount of plastic waste you produce, like recycling with recyclables. But for those looking for a more creative way to what is recycling? Recycling refers to taking plastic or any other recyclable material and turning it into something new without sending it through the recycling process. You can upcycle everything from plastic bottles to scrap metal, and the only thing holding you back is your imagination. That being said, at Recyclops, we are constantly looking for ways in which we can better support our customers to live a more sustainable lifestyle. That's why we have put together this short list of interesting ways that you can start upcycling plastic bottles from the comfort of your own home. Check out these creative ways you can recycle your plastic bottles into something new. Reuse your plastic coffee creamer containers for snack storage. Make a plastic bottle planter. Start a herb garden with empty 2-liter bottles. Make a beach bucket from laundry detergent containers. Reuse soda bottles by creating a vertical garden. Reuse plastic bottles to make a DIY sprinkle, and many other different things. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the amazing and latest videos. I really hope that you're really enjoying all the videos that I am sharing with you. If you have any question, please guys let me know in comment section. In my next video you will see many other different, unique and interesting videos related to recycling craft. Thanks for watching my video guys. God bless you. Take care of yourself and please share my videos as much as you can. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Do remember me in your prayers and enjoying your days.